Western Union has transformed from a traditional money transfer service into a modern digital platform. Today, we'll explore how to send money online using Western Union's updated system. Western Union is a global leader in cross border money transfers, operating for over 170 years. The company has successfully modernized its platform to meet today's digital needs. The digital transformation has been remarkable. Over 75% of Western Union transactions now occur through digital channels, compared to just 50% in 2020. This shift represents a major modernization of how people send money globally. Western Union's online platform offers multiple ways to send and receive money. You can send money using bank transfers, debit or credit cards, and digital wallets. Recipients can receive funds through cash pickup, bank deposits, or mobile wallets. Western Union operates globally, serving over 200 countries and territories. Transfer speeds vary based on your destination and chosen payment method, ranging from instant transfers that complete in minutes to standard transfers taking 1 to 3 business days. The online money transfer process follows 5 main steps. First, you create an account with identity verification. Then you enter recipient details and choose your payment method. After reviewing all details and fees, you send the transfer and receive a tracking number. After sending your transfer, you'll receive an MTCN, a money transfer control number. This unique 10-digit code allows you and your recipient to track the transfer status in real time. The recipient will need this number along with proper identification to collect the money. Western Union's online platform combines the convenience of digital technology with the reliability of a trusted global network. In the next section, we'll walk through the complete step-by-step process of sending money online. Step 1. Register on the Western Union app or website. You'll need to complete identity verification by providing your personal information and uploading a government-issued ID. Step 2. Enter your recipient's information. Include their full name exactly as it appears on their ID, their location, and select their preferred pickup method, either cash pickup at an agent location or direct bank deposit. Step 3. Choose your payment method. Western Union accepts bank accounts, debit cards, credit cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Each method has different processing times and fees. Step 4. Carefully review all transaction details. Check the transfer amount, fees, exchange rate, and total cost. Verify the recipient information is correct before confirming the transfer. Step 5. After confirming, your transfer is sent and you'll receive an MTCN, Money Transfer Control Number. This unique 10-digit code allows you and your recipient to track the transfer status. You'll get SMS and email notifications with updates. Step 6. Follow security best practices. Never share your MTCN with unauthorized parties. Only give it to your intended recipient. Always verify recipient details carefully before sending and use official Western Union channels only. Following these 6 steps ensures a secure and successful online money transfer with Western Union. The process is designed to be simple while maintaining the highest security standards for your financial transactions.